everyone, hope you are fine. In my today's this video, I will show you how you can fix the heating problem in your device Oppo A96. So if you are having any problem like your device heats up again and again or any other heating issue, you can easily fix it by following a few steps as I will show you in this video. So before we start the video, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe it and press the bell icon. Follow the steps, watch complete video and you will learn how you can fix the heating problem in your device. Let's watch the video.